Hey everybody, what's up? Alright, make a Tradersway withdrawal. You want to log into Tradersway, click withdrawal, then click Vload. Okay, fill in your PIN, the amount you want to withdraw. It calculates the fees when you put in the amount, so. Alright, hit send request. Once you do that, you're going to get a confirmation email. So you got to go to your email and click the confirmation link. I'll go to my email and click the confirmation link. And it's confirmed. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Vload and log into my account. I'm going to click My Vouchers. And here's my Vload voucher. So click it. Single cash out. And there it is. Okay. Understand, agree. Cash out. Alright, so boom. It should take 1 day to hit my account. And that's how you do it.